Hello everyone, this is just a quick video to give you a tutorial on how to turn in assignments. So this is my example class here. This is as if I was a student in Mrs. Willett's class. So here's an assignment for me. I'm going to go to the assignment and then I'm going to go to the turn in button. I can't just turn in nothing though. I want to make sure that this is complete. Usually we're giving paperwork, and so we're asking you to take a picture and then upload it on here. So I'm going to need to add or create. So I'm going to add a file, and I'm going to add a file and upload a picture. So you should be able to get to this page, browse, and then find the picture of your assignment. That way you can upload your assignment. So you add file, upload, and then get your picture in there for us. Once you make sure that you add your picture to it, you should be able to push the turn in button, and then it comes straight to us for an easy grade. Just make sure you take a picture and get that turned in. Another easy way is to download Google Classroom onto your iPhone or your smartphone, and you can take a picture with your camera and then turn it in on the app, which is also very easy. So that was just a tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.